What is epigenetics, and how does it affect your family's health? Imagine your genes are like a set of instructions for building a house. Epigenetics is the way your environment and lifestyle can turn those instructions on or off, like flipping switches. This process doesn't change the actual instructions but influences how they are used. Think of it as a volume control for your genes. Some genes might be turned up loud, while others are turned down or silent, depending on various factors. Your DNA is made up of long chains of chemical letters called bases. These bases form the genetic code that guides cell functions. But epigenetics involves chemical tags that attach to these bases or to the proteins around DNA, called histones. These tags act like markers that tell the cell whether to read a gene or ignore it. The main mechanisms include DNA methylation, where chemical groups are added to DNA, and histone modification, which changes how tightly DNA is wrapped around histones. Non-coding RNA molecules also play a role in controlling gene activity without changing the DNA sequence itself. During development, epigenetics helps cells with identical DNA become different types, like nerve cells or muscle cells. It acts as a switchboard, activating some genes while silencing others. This process is essential for growth and development. But as you go through life, your environment, diet, stress levels, and exposure to toxins can change these epigenetic marks. These changes can influence your health and may even increase your risk for illnesses like cancer, diabetes, or heart disease. Some of these epigenetic marks are passed from parents to children. This means your family history includes not only the genes you inherit but also the epigenetic signals from previous generations. For example, if your ancestors experienced stress or poor nutrition, those factors could have left marks on their genes that influence your health today. This is why family members with the same genetic mutations might have different health outcomes, because epigenetics can modify how those genes are expressed. Understanding epigenetics adds a new layer to genetic testing. It explains why two people with the same genetic mutation might have different symptoms or disease risks. It also opens the door to potential treatments or lifestyle changes that can reverse harmful epigenetic marks. For instance, diet, exercise, and reducing stress can influence epigenetic patterns and improve health. In short, epigenetics is the way your environment and choices can turn genes on or off without changing the genetic code itself. It helps explain how your family's health history is shaped not just by inherited genes but also by the experiences and environments of past generations. Knowing this can help you make better decisions for your health and for your family's future.